Every journey begins long before we arrive, in a place where stories flow as freely as the river itself. The Magdalena reaches beyond the land it touches. It carries memory, culture, and the living soul of Colombia. For those who have lived in harmony with it for centuries, this river is sacred, guided by ancestral wisdom. We come not to take, but to listen. This river connects more than places. It connects people, tradition, and time itself. And today, a new chapter begins. A journey designed not to change the river, but to move with it. Closer to the stories, closer to the people, closer to what truly matters. Before we name the ship, we honor what was here before us. With gratitude and respect, we welcome AmaMelodia into the world.